Thank you for visiting Samurai Cooking Channel. I'm not a professional cook, but as a Japanese dad, I cook every day. So I will introduce the dishes that are eaten at home in Japan. Thank you. Today I would like to introduce you to stir-fried udon, which is called yaki udon. The ingredients are cabbage, green onion, carrot, pork rose slices, and frozen udon noodles. First, cut all the ingredients into a size that is easy to eat. I think you can find frozen udon noodles at Japanese supermarkets. Warm the frozen udon so that it can be loosened in the microwave. Be careful not to overheat it. It will be fried with vegetables later, so let's make it loose. Put sesame oil in a frying pan and fry the pork first. When the color of the pork changes, add other vegetables and fry. When it gets soft, add salt and pepper. Add 4 tablespoons of sake. Add 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered Chinese soup. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. After lightly frying, add the loosened udon noodles. It's okay if the udon is entwined with seasonings. If you stir-fry too much, the udon will grow, so be careful. Finally, add sesame oil to add aroma. Yaki udon is completed.